Y'all, I just did a whole video. A whole video, and it wasn't moving. It didn't record. Lord have mercy. But okay, here I am back again. I got to give y'all the 411 on the new details that I have about my side hustle. Okay, and this is a side hustle for any and everybody. I have a couple of side hustles, but this right here, it's a good one. I'm a licensed insurance agent, life insurance agent, and the whole process took me about a month to go through the test, the fingerprinting, the background check, excuse me, background check, and what else was it? A couple more things I had to do, and about a month. I would say about a month, maybe a month and a half at the most. The only thing that was concerning for me was the test, because there was a lot of material. However, we had a study group, study plan, and all that kind of thing. And then I also got something for you. I wrote an ebook where I broke down my step-by-step what I went through in order to get my license and get all of that done. And I also give out study questions, like a study guide with the answers and all that kind of thing. Just a lot of interesting details that can help you if you choose to do this. I encourage you to. You know, you just have to really, really zone in on your demographic, because of just like anything, you know, that deals with money, you have to really, really zone in on who you excuse me, who your target market is. And if your target market can keep up with the payments and all those different things, you know. But that's neither here nor there. You'll be able to do that, I'm sure. But I have that ebook for you. My name is Nikki Ruffin. As you know, I'm a retired Army veteran, 28 years. I'm also a high school teacher, and I have a couple of side hustles. Yes, I do. And this is one of them. And I would love for you to take the leap and get into that as well. Or I'll be bringing some more side hustles to the forefront and letting you know what it's about, based on my experience or somebody that I really know and I trust, you know, with whatever they offer, their advice they offer or information. So I will put the link in this video where the ebook is located. This is going to be a basic ebook. Remember that, a basic ebook. There's a link inside the ebook that if you would like to request a more extended version, more details, then you may do that. And you also may list out your state that you live in, because the information and requirements are different from state to state. So I'll do my best to cater it to where you are. Y'all forgive me, but I have a cold. Excuse me. And it's been snowing so bad here and cold. But anyway, I'm gonna make it do what it do. So God bless you, and I hope to see you soon. Join my Facebook group, Boots to Books. Boots to Books, yes. No, sir, that's not it. Books to Boots. Boots to Books. Yeah, Boots to Books. I told y'all I'm gonna get it. All right, God bless you.